Just boarded the plane. Vibes off the charts. However, and I forgot, there were movies, right? There's a screen with movies, However, no games. That is right. No games on the flight. Which means there's not much to do. However, what we can do is sleep so we can adjust to the time zone. I was going to watch Obsession, but it's not on here. 9-hour flight. They're going to feed us before I sleep. I'm about to have a bar. Food's about to come. I don't know what it is. Okay, it looks like we have chicken with some sort of rice and vegetables. We have a salad that I'm not going to eat. 2 crackers, which look good. And an Aztec cinnamon bar, which should be good. And we have a bread roll. Let's eat. Chicken with that whatever sauce that was and rice. Top tier, gotta admit. For airplane food. Like, it obviously wasn't the best, but it was edible. And this chocolate thing, I'm gonna try to open it. And I'll let y'all know. Oh, here it is, yeah. It passes the smell test. One side. It's got a crunch to it. And a chocolate. Wait, hold up. That's good. Wow. They should sell this at Walmart. The bread roll was also good. I'm gonna go try to get more sleep. Okay, just woke up from like an hour-long nap. It was uncomfortable. Not gonna lie, energy's pretty low right now. I've been playing some games, and remembered I'm gonna see my cousins, so I'm pretty excited. It's like midnight, but yeah, I'll keep you all updated. 1 hour left, I think. Okay, guys, get this. Oh shoot, there's turbulence. Okay, wait, that was me. Yeah, I did that. I don't know if that was funny. I'll probably cut that out, actually. Yeah, that was weird. They're serving us breakfast. They're like brighten the lights. Yeah. Okay, we got the breakfast. It's like some blueberry vanilla like bar, some like cashews, and some Greek yogurt that's Chobani. I don't know how they have the budget to give us Chobani, but I don't like yogurt. So, yeah. Update. We got caffeine in the form of Diet Coke. We're gonna make it through. Like 2 hours left of the flight. We're landing in 15 minutes, which is crazy to me because we're over London right now. I don't know how that's 15 minutes away from Amsterdam, but it's okay. Yeah, been a great flight. I have that energy now. Yeah. What's up? We're landing in like 5 minutes. I was debating clapping when we landed, like for the pilot, but I realized the Europeans would probably think I'm some annoying American. So maybe next time. Yeah. We're landing. Speeding up, you can tell. We landed. Oh yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to Amsterdam, where the local time is approximately 9:36 a.m.
It's 9 a.m., bro.
On behalf of American Airlines and our One World partners, we thank you
It's like 2 a.m. at home, bro.